So today we're on location at my friend's house. He's got an awesome garden. We're gonna go over there and look at all the fun things he's doing. You got all these separate beds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beds.
These are beets, and they got totally mangled from the hail. You can see the damage on the leaves.
Yeah,
we
just had hail.
Great yesterday.
Yeah.
So beets, Swiss chard. I've harvested the Swiss chard, so that means there aren't as many leaves. So it's going to take about a week, and then they'll grow more leaves, and I can pick some more. And these are carrots. And I intercrop those with...
If you're wondering what these little white things are, those are eggshells.
And then over here, what's this over here?
Those are various Chinese radishes. They get really long, like the Japanese daikon. This is usually an herb bed, but I didn't plant any herbs. Oh my God, those bugs are everywhere.
Look at all the bugs.
They're good bugs, but they're everywhere.
So these aren't bees
No.
doing pollen. They're just
golden,
bugs.
goldenrod soldier beetles.
Yes, gold, yeah.
And they love pollen and nectar of all sorts. They don't harm any of my vegetable plants, but they are everywhere.
Is this squash right here?
A zucchini.
Those plants are so funky looking. There's a zucchini right down here.
Yeah, we're going to leave it for another day, though.
Oh, yeah?
These are zinnias. And, of course, more of those bugs. That's Chinese lettuce. I'll be thinning these out
Chinese lettuce
this week so I can have, some full heads of lettuce, but I always sow it really thick. This is going to be like what you would see at the store, romaine lettuce.
Okay. What's that one there?
That's arugula. I've got eggplants. So
There's an eggplant there, yeah.
It's an Asian eggplant. It's not like those gross Italian ones that get big and fat with the thick skin. These are just various hot peppers. So that's called a black Hungarian. One of them's turning red. That means it's really ripe and it's going to be really hot. They're about as hot as jalapenos, so they're not like super hot peppers. Jalapenos are mild.
Here's another pepper over here.
Yeah, that one.
What's that?
I don't know. It's not doing really well. I think I started all of these from seed inside, and I think I started them too early.
Yeah.
So,
what are some things you've learned from this year?
This is calendula. I think that's how you say it. It's used for herbal medicine, but pollinators love it too. It got bigger than I'm used to. So this used to be beets and carrots and lettuces. I've harvested them. These got taller than the things that are behind it. So it was kind of blocking their sun. So next year I'm going to plant these, but not so many, and at the back of the bed.
So it's kind of knowing where the sun's angle is too on some of these.
These are the ones I plant first. Swiss chard, because I'm going to yank these up. These are getting old, so these should be producing until we get a hard frost. I've got lettuce in front, but lettuce is kind of picky about growing conditions. If it's too hot, it won't germinate. If the soil is too hot, it won't germinate.
Yeah.
These are Chinese red noodle beans. They get really long.
Chinese red noodle
Yeah,
what?
they're just beans. They're a long bean. You can
like a green bean?
Like a green bean.
Like you just start eating it like a green bean?
Well, I don't know if I would. I mean, I would cook them.
Yeah, everybody loves these sunflowers.
Oh, yeah.
Why? What's up with sunflowers?
Lots of pollen, and they'll start producing seeds, so then the birds will be all over the place.
Okay, and then why is that good?
Food, well,
for
it's
the
food for my critters. It's good for the birds, and birds eat bugs. This is broccoli, but I will never grow it again because it gets really huge. I had another one here, but it broke in the storm. You get one head, and it wasn't a very impressive head. So you snip that off, and then the rest of the plant will produce these little shoots that you can harvest. I've been doing that.
Florets.
Yeah, that's all. That's all you get after you get that one head. Oh yeah, that's my one cabbage, which is also a big, it's a space hog.
Feed me. So you think it's been a good year or a bad year? Medium year?
It's been a good year.
Duncan, you said you had a compost thing you were wanted to show me too.
Yeah, I can show you that.
Oh yeah, you should
that
show
over
them
here?
how you do that.